Hello children, how are you all? Yes, I know you all are good. Yes, so today what we are going to do? We are going to learn a new lesson and all of you are going to enjoy this lesson. You know why? Yes, because now we all are big children. So we are going to learn to read. And with that, I am going to take you to one place which you all enjoy. Okay, now just think, when you go to school and teacher tells you, okay, today no studies, we are going to go for a picnic. Then what you all do? Yes, you all are very happy because all of you like to go for a picnic, right? Yes. So today in this lesson also, the children are going somewhere. And where you know? Yes, they are going for a picnic. And which place? Yes, on a beach. All of you enjoy going to a beach, right? Yes, all of you look here. When you look at the picture, you will come to know where they have gone. Yes, they have gone for a picnic to Kuda beach. Many of you have been there, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see the picture. What they are doing? They are running, they are playing games, they are splashing in the water, which you all enjoy. And many of you, you take bath in the water, right? Yes, so now children, seeing this picture, but with that we are going to learn to read. Because you all are big children, so you must know to read the lesson also. Okay, so all of you look here. Now the first sentence you are going to repeat after me. We went to a picnic. Where they all have gone? Yes, for a picnic. Where? To Kuda seashore. All of you enjoy that, right? So they all have gone for a picnic, but on the beach. Yes. It is one of the picnic spot in Bhavnagar. Where it is? Yes, in our city, Bhavnagar city. So it is a picnic spot. And many times you all go there, right, with your parents, sometimes with your relatives, in a big group you go. Yes, so these children are also gone for a picnic and it is a picnic spot in Bhavnagar. Teacher asks us to carry some food and water bottle. Okay children, when you go for a picnic, what you do? Yes, you have to carry food, you have to carry water with you. So there also teacher told, okay, we will be going for a picnic, but what you have to carry? Correct, you have to carry food and you have to carry water. We played there many games. So what they did, when you reach there, what you do usually? Yes, we run, we play in the water, then teacher makes you play different games. Yes, so those children are also playing different types of games. We enjoyed splashing in the water. What they did? All of you like to splash in the water, right? Yes, when you are taking bath and when you are in a bathtub, what you do? You splash the water. So these children also, they all enjoy. They are small children. So teacher said, you must not go deep in the water and you must not take bath. But what they can do? Yeah, they can sit in a side and they can splash the water. Okay, so we enjoyed splashing in the water. Now, it was a great fun with friends. Correct. When you go with your friends, you enjoy more, right? Because you play with your friend, you share your things with your friend. Yes, so these children are also enjoyed a lot. Why? Because they are with the friends, all of them with friends. So they are enjoying there. We enjoyed a lot. They all enjoyed a lot. Yes, I would like to visit there again. Again, these children, what they are saying? Yes, we want to go there again. But with whom? Yes, with teachers and friends. Okay, so once again children, we are going to learn to read it. Okay, so all of you have to repeat after me. We went to a picnic to Kuda seashore. Yes, they are going for a picnic. It is one of the picnic spot in Bhavnagar. Teacher asked us to carry some food and water bottle. Water bottle for what? Yes, you have to carry your water also. Yes. Then we played there many games. You all also play when you go for a picnic, right? So these children also played many games. We enjoyed splashing in the water. They all are enjoying splashing in the water. It was a great fun with friends. They are enjoying with the friends. We enjoyed a lot. Now, then what they are telling? I would like to visit there again. Again, they want to go for a picnic. So, children, you all are good children, right? So, what you are going to do? Yes, you have to learn to read this lesson, and teacher is going to ask you short questions from this lesson. So, what you are going, every day you have to practice reading the lesson and you have to study well. So, be a good children and study well. Okay, thank you.